Got dirty tiles or stained grout? Well, if you find cleaning your tile floors, showers, and countertops to be a chore that you'd rather not take on, call Floor Doctors today and let us do the dirty work for you. Floor Doctors is your trusted source for tile and grout cleaning, sealing, tile and grout repair, regrouting, recaulking, and more. Our professional and reliable technicians know the exact steps that are required to consistently enrich the quality of life and home property values for our clients by delivering world-class service and distinctive quality results. Our restoration process involves diagnosing your project through a free estimate, then quickly getting to work restoring your tile surfaces and sealing them for long-lasting protection. No need to deal with contractors you can't depend on. Give us a call and we'll take care of the rest. It's just that simple. We use only the finest materials, provide upfront pricing, and pride ourselves on our attention to detail. Plus, compared to the cost of replacing your tile and stone surfaces in a remodel, a Floor Doctor's restoration is the obvious choice, as you can return your surfaces to like-new condition for a fraction of the price. So whether you're moving in or out of your home, have mildew stains you can't get rid of, or simply want to fix that dirty grout once and for all, come discover the Floor Doctor's difference. And call the Floor Doctors now at 888-688-6485. That's 888-688-6485. Or visit us online at floordoctors.com for more info. Floor Doctors, we make house calls.